Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the captivating world of a mysterious climbing plant that's taking the gardening community by storm. You've probably seen this beauty all over social media, but there's more to it than meets the eye. This white-flowered vine, known as Rosa climbing iceberg, is a true wonder. It's not your average rose, it's a climbing superstar. What makes it so intriguing is its ability to grow at an astonishing pace and bloom non-stop. Imagine a plant that can cover your fence or balcony in no time, creating a stunning floral display for months on end. It's like having your own private garden paradise. Now let's unravel the secrets behind this climbing marvel. Climbing iceberg is a unique variety, bred from the famous Floribunda rose, iceberg. It's like the adventurous cousin that decided to climb its way to fame. With its long, flexible stems, it can reach impressive heights, making it perfect for adding vertical beauty to any space. Personally, I think this is a game changer for urban gardeners who want to maximize their limited outdoor areas. But here's the real kicker. This plant doesn't just bloom once and say goodbye. It's a repeat performer. While traditional roses might have their moment and then fade away, climbing iceberg keeps the show going. It produces new flower sets throughout the season, giving the illusion of year-round blooming. This is a dream come true for gardeners who crave constant color and fragrance. In terms of care, this rose is relatively low maintenance. It thrives in full sun, soaking up those rays like a sunbather. But it's not a diva. It just needs well-drained soil and balanced moisture. Overwatering? Not its style. A little mulch goes a long way to keep it happy, and when it comes to feeding, less is more. Overfeeding might make it focus on foliage instead of those precious blooms. One thing that immediately stands out is its resilience to diseases. While it's not completely immune, it gives many common rose ailments a run for their money. This is a huge plus for gardeners who want to enjoy their plants without constant worry. Plus, its sweet fragrance and vibrant color make it a perfect choice for welcoming guests in entryways and patios. What many people don't realize is the versatility of this climbing rose. It's not just for covering walls. It's a designer's dream. From softening fence lines to creating romantic arches, it adds elegance wherever it grows. And in public spaces, it's a real showstopper, brightening up pillars and borders. It's like having a living, breathing piece of art in your garden. In today's gardening trends, climbing iceberg is a rising star. With the focus on low-maintenance, repeat flowering plants, it checks all the boxes. It's a practical choice for beginners and city dwellers alike, offering beauty without the hassle. While it might not bloom every month in all climates, it's still a reliable performer, especially in milder zones. In my opinion, this climbing rose is a testament to the power of nature's surprises. It's a plant that defies expectations and brings joy to gardeners. So if you're looking to add a touch of magic to your outdoor space, consider climbing iceberg. It's a plant that keeps on giving, and I can't wait to see the creative ways people incorporate it into their gardens. Stay tuned for more plant adventures and happy gardening.